Live from the wok, Kung Pao Chicken, Chomp style. Sizzle rating 3. Wok and roll, banana patrol. Wok hot, oil in, dried chilies, peppercorns. 10 seconds, wake them up, don't burn. Chicken in, spread it out, let it sear, then quick toss till it's nearly cooked. Garlic, ginger, spring onion. Quick stir, sauce in now, then toss till it turns glossy. Peanuts in, keep tossing. Reduce to a thick, glossy glaze. Sizzle rating 3. Taste check, more sweet, tiny sugar. More bite, tiny vinegar. Spring onion on, final toss. Heat off. Kung Pao Chicken, spicy, nutty, glossy. Wok and roll, banana patrol. Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.